Hello everyone, 大家好，我是 Alan. Misusing the word 对不起 is one of the most common mistakes. Today, let's talk about when we should never say 对不起 and why. Usually, it's correct to use the word 对不起 when you mean to say sorry. But when should we never say 对不起? If your friend's car was stolen, for example, you cannot say 对不起 to him. Why? Saying 对不起 in such a case implies that you are responsible for the loss, or you caused the consequence. Some other situations like, if a friend was involved in a car accident, lost his grandfather, or failed his test, and so on, in all these kind of cases, you cannot say 对不起 to that friend. Otherwise, it would sound like it was all your fault. But what would be a proper word to say? 遗憾 is extensively used for all these kinds of situations, meaning regretful. Most likely, you would also say 很遗憾, that means very sorry. 非常遗憾, that also means very sorry. Or 真遗憾, which means really sorry. Actually, it's very easy to avoid misusing this word. That is, if it's not your fault, never say 对不起. 谢谢观看，再见。